Let's talk about the Italian market because NetSuite is a great solution here in US, also South America, Middle East and East. In Europe is not so diffuse. So what do you think about it? And focus on the Italian market.
Italian market, yes. So well, what you are describing is more or less the story of NetSuite. The thing is that we, as you know, we are a company that was born and created here, and then they decided to expand in other regions. First we came to the UK, and then later we're starting to open a different operation in different place. At the beginning only with partner, that we have a very strong and solid relationship with many partners in Italy. And a few years ago we decided to open an operation in Malaga to support the south of Europe, including Italy, Portugal and Spain. And after this year, I think we have seen a good traction in the market, because in the Italian market is for NetSuite a very interesting country, because there is a large number of SMB companies, and also an important thing is a very international mindset.
Absolutely.
One of the things of the Italian companies is a company that used to do work and trade with other countries like Germany, and not only Germany, outside Germany. And this is why I believe that our solution is well received by the Italian company.
Our market is different from the others because we are very small companies, but with big market around the world. So they have a lot of branches around the world. So a solution like this is on the cloud, is for HR, is for the payment, is for ERP, obviously. Is good for a lot of things. So I think that you have the opportunity to grow in this market, because there's an opportunity, but the big problem is to understand the market. And so I want to know how you can focus on a solution for our industry.
Absolutely. So one of the things that we are doing every time that we are coming to a country, we don't have the same approach everywhere. So what we're trying is to understand first the needs of the customer, and don't force this to change. It has to be the other way around. This is why we say in one of our claim is be global and be local as well, because on one side we need to offer to all the Italian companies all the innovation that we are creating globally, but also we are bringing with the support of partners that, for example, help us to land this this technology and apply in the way that the Italian company will benefit the most. In this matter, for example, what we are doing in some specific industry in Italy is that now we are creating some action, for example, to activate some some industry that are very interesting for us. For example, hospitality. In hospitality, in Italy there is a very good industry that is not only operating in Italy but in many other countries. And if we pull together all the NetSuite plus the Opera solution and the solution that we have specifically for the hotel industry, I think we can have a very good impact and be very supported for the Italian companies on this vertical.
Yeah, and NetSuite is a process solution. Okay, so it's focused on something that's very specific, and now the AI is coming. So this is a turnaround.
Yeah, absolutely. What we have seen, I don't know if the people or the audience has seen the keynotes. I think there is an important message that we are delivering at the end. The AI is another innovation, is a tool that we are providing to do the things that we know the most. The most is that our system is a platform to growth, a platform to support your business. And we are bringing this new innovation through the AI service layer that we have to provide this help to this company in different areas, searching, guiding them, providing insight, creating agents that can automate tasks. This is the main thing, that we are not losing our purpose as company. Our purpose is help the company to do what they know better than us.
Absolutely. Evan Goldberg is the CEO of the company, and said, okay, we are three pillars. the last pillars was the platform. So
Exactly.
the platform is the most important thing about you, because it's not just Oracle NetSuite, but there are a lot of partners that are creating something about databases, something about payments, because I've seen a good agreement with Bill, so for the payments, so for everything. So it's very focused, and it's a process company, a process solution. So the solution for the Italian processes, if you think about our bureaucracy, is very difficult to understand. So what are you doing about it?
What we are doing is, as you know, well, the way that when we are creating in general in our solution is a suite success model, implementation model, but that basically provide a set of leading practice that we can customize for each case. So we are using our partner to do this approach, and basically what we are getting is, okay, all of the set of process that we are proposing to a different industry, and retail, manufacturing, whatever, what is the one that you think that fits what you are doing? And for the rest, we can extend the solution. One of the things that you can see is that one of the main capacity of our platform is the capacity to extend and to customize, if it needed, some of the needs. And something very important that we have announced today is that the AI, as is part of our platform, can be also operate with this customization. So it doesn't mean that no matter if you are customizing, because you need to customize. I know in Italy the people, the company wants to have, that is specific needs that they want to do it. We extend this AI capacity to also to cover this customization. So you can use it no matter if you need to customize.
And I've played with the solutions.
And you like it?
Yes, it's the third time that I'm here, so I know something about it, and I tried also with mobile. So it's an unexpected experience, because with Ask Oracle, you have to create something new about your business, your needs. So it's a game changer for everywhere. And so you can solve something about the business, or is not provided a solution inside, but you can create in very few seconds.
Yeah, absolutely. For example, one of the examples that we see today is that, for example, there is maybe some company is using another language model just to interact, maybe Gemini, ChatGPT, Cloud. What we have done with our platform is what we are not forcing the customer to make one choice, because at this moment, there is different options. You can have some preference. You will feel more training about one of those. And at the end, what we allow the customer through our connector to use whatever tool you would like to use for the AI and interact with the system. Because at the end, what is important on this thing is that don't forget that if you want to have a good quality and a good interaction with the AI, the data that you are using, the process that you are using, the insight has to come from your own data. So this is why this opportunity to get the best for what you have, and also combined with the other solution, I think is, as you say, a game changer in the industry.
Yeah, and the last question is about obviously it's called Oracle NetSuite. So Oracle is the infrastructure. So we are talking about Ask Oracle. Also, it's important for the data.
Absolutely.
Because database is the autonomous. You can use also unstructured or unstructurable data. So this is a key point, because now the business needs, they are using not just the own data, but also the data that you can find around.
Yeah. This is a good point. And with one of the benefits of the long partnership relationship between Oracle and NetSuite is that we can provide to all these SMB companies all the powerful technology that we have on behind our stack. Oracle owns their own stack. You can have everything from the database, the infrastructure, all the service cap, all the integration. Everything is in one single stack that you can use and use and leverage with NetSuite. The thing of having OCI behind means that, for example, if a company needs to scale, as I don't know, because there is in Christmas there is a special peak of activity, the system can ready to adapt this and don't create any disruption in the business. So we are offering this to our customer together with all the security things that is quite important, all the regulation that we are following with any European things that it has to be. So our data center is located is based in Euro, so there is no question about the security, the compliance of the local thing. So at the end, it's a plus that we are adding to our customer, not only a great solution, but the support of all this technology that I think is make a difference.
I said the last question, but there's another one. So, okay, it's talking about partners, because you need partners to go on to the market.
Yeah,
so
we have a very large ecosystem of partners in Italy that cover the most of the region, from the south to the north, and they have been working historically in this region. We have very strong partners like RTT, Reply, M3G, Deloitte, so many of those, and this is our friends and really allies that they are bringing this innovation and helping us to be more closer to the Italian company. At the end, they are carrying on with the implementation, they are carrying on to make this process to adapt what NetSuite is proposing as technology to build a solution that is meaningful and valuable for the Italian companies.
Okay, thank you, Alberto.
Thank you so much.
Next time, I hope that you can speak Italian.
Yeah, I hope. I mean, after 7 years, I can follow every meeting in Italian. It's easy for me, but speaking is
another thing.
Still, I need to.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.